Hey good people, and welcome back to another video with DIYs by Carolina. Hope you guys are doing well and having an amazing week. So this video is basically going to be addressing a comment that literally inspired me in my last video. And y'all, let me just tell you, it wasn't nothing significant, but for me, it don't take much, y'all. It's the little things that gets me excited. So I'm going to just kind of tell you guys what I'm going to be doing in this video. This is not going to be a long video at all. One of the reasons I'm sharing this particular DIY is because the same way I didn't know it, there's probably other people out there that don't know it either or know how to do it. So but it's the little things that just inspired me, because this is something I thought about doing but was like, nah, that can't be done. You can't do that. That's not going to work. Girl, look, the same way y'all say I inspire y'all inspire me. So it was this comment that made me want to do this video, that made me wanted to attempt this DIY. If you never try, you never know. So anyway, let me go ahead and show you guys, and let's go ahead and get started. All right, y'all, so what I had to do first was I had to test it. I had to practice and just kind of see which method worked best. And you will notice here that there's 3 holes, okay? 2 of them are taped up. The tape fell off of one of them. I had tape in the front as well as in the back. So I tried taping both sides and drilling the hole, and you can see here where it cracked. And then I tried it with just the tape on the one side, and it still cracked. With this 3rd hole right here, I didn't use any tape, and I figured out what I was doing wrong. So y'all, practice makes perfect, okay? So what I decided to do, and you know what, I'm not going to even tell you, I'm going to show you what I did. And for this project, y'all, I did not use any special drill bit or anything. Like I said before, I went on YouTube, did a little bit of research, just trying to find some inspiration from other DIYers on how to do this. And the few videos that I watched, they were saying that you needed a special drill bit, but I just tried it with the original drill bit that I have. I didn't go out and purchase another drill bit. I just used my regular drill bit. But the key here, y'all, is to not add force, is to just let the drill bit do its work. So that means the only thing you have to bring to the table is patience. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I did. So for the next few holes, I decided to time myself, and it took me anywhere between 48 to 50 seconds to make these holes. So here's a look at the 1, 2, 3, 4 holes that I drilled, and then the ones that actually cracked, which were these that I used the tape on. So the key here is to not apply any pressure. The only pressure that was placed on this tray was the pressure that actually came from the drill. All right, y'all, so that is what I wanted to share with you all. Thank you guys so much for watching. And again, thank you guys for your comments, for your inspiration, for your suggestions, your tips, all of the above. I can't thank you guys enough. I'm on a roll here with putting holes in all of these trays. Y'all, I can't get enough. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys really, really soon in my next video. Until then, bye now.